Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to set a room filter on Bigo Live. Okay, so first we're going to click on one of the icons that is on the bottom of my screen. As you can see, there are 5 icons: a home icon, an explore icon, a little camera icon, a community icon, and a me icon. We're going to click on the explore icon. And once we're here, right under these little flags, you can see popular. And on the right of it, you can see this little like flashlight with 3 lines. We're gonna click on that, and this is a room filter. And now you can pick, like, I want to watch someone who is male, a single live room, and who is, I don't know, American. And this will load you all the people that are like that. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.